I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings, tap the Settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once done, glance at the top for a search field, type a keyword to jump straight to the option you need. Make sure you are on the correct account because changes apply to that profile. If credentials are required, enter them now so you can proceed uninterrupted. This reduces mistakes and saves time later. You continue by navigating the relevant section. For connection issues, head to Network, for visuals, open Display, and for privacy controls, choose Privacy. Once inside, use quick toggles for simple on/off changes, but open each submenu when you need granularity. That's where advanced controls live. Also, read the short descriptions under each option because they explain consequences. This helps you avoid accidental preference changes and keeps important defaults intact. You finish by saving or applying changes. Some systems require a restart, so do that if prompted. Once the device reboots, verify the change by testing the exact feature you modified. This confirms success. If the setting reverts or behaves oddly, check account sync and app permissions first, then make sure your system is up to date. Updates often fix configuration bugs. If problems persist, note the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.